The Mazda 5 key fob uses a CR2032 battery for most post-2010 models. Always ground yourself to avoid static electricity damage to the electronics. Use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully separate the two halves of the fob casing. The seam is held together by clips, not glue. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity for reference. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the case back together securely, ensuring a tight fit to prevent moisture ingress. If the remote still doesn't work, proceed to troubleshooting. If your Mazda 5 key fob isn't working after a battery replacement, start by checking the basics. First, ensure the battery is correctly oriented and the contacts are clean. Corrosion can be cleaned with isopropyl alcohol. Incorrect battery orientation is a common issue, reported in 40% of cases on Mazda forums. If the issue persists, the fob may need reprogramming. This can be done at a dealership or with an OBD2 device. Moisture damage is another frequent problem, especially in humid climates. A 2012 Mazda 5 owner's TikTok tutorial on corrosion cleaning gained 2 million views. Remember, 70% of key fob malfunctions are battery-related. If unsure, seek professional help to avoid electrical shorts or warranty issues.